This old guy DIY video has to do with the stabilizers I made for a high lift jack with a couple of ratchet straps and a 16-inch piece of bed frame rail. And on YouTube and on different online stuff, I saw where guys that are selling when they market out of stamped material with a couple of cables, jack up a Jeep and then wiggle it. So in this case, I have the rear wheels off the ground. The front wheel is chocked, and we're giving it the wiggle test.
Yeah.
Now we're going to push the 6,000-pound Suburban back and forth and see how the jack handles it. That's it. So it looks a lot like the way the $122 delivered to your house, ready to go version looks. But mine involves 2 ratchet straps and a 16-inch piece of frame rail from a bed. If this idea helps you, please subscribe and have a great day.